Mike! Welcome back to Zoya's channel. Today it's Eid and we're at a park. Right now we're taking pictures. Like, we got all the uncles. What do you think the uncles are talking about? Politics, probably? Most likely. We got people fishing. Lots of vibes. Lots of vibes.
Why can't I like open my eyes? Oh.
Let's take a...
Eid Mubarak, people. Honestly, the whole group. Yeah. Eid Mubarak.
What are you most excited to eat after Ramzan? Coffee?
Yeah. The coffee hit different.
I'm also excited to eat coffee.
Sean,
Eat coffee.
eat.
Eat.
Excited to get back to my diet.
Sleep.
And then not to.
Yeah.
Zainab,
Yes.
what are you most excited for?
Dessert.
Sleep.
Sleep, yeah.
What about you?
What?
What are you most excited for?
In terms of what?
Oh no, Sean! Just read my mind. Come on.
More food, bro.
More food.
That's
Okay.
No.
What are you most excited for?
Desserts.
Desserts. Chalo. What are you most excited for?
I think I'm just most excited for my life to be back to normal.
Oh, we love that for you. Queen, what are you most excited for?
For what?
Just in general, in life.
Honestly, I'm always excited. So I just want to continue that same outlook. I want to continue being thankful.
And we're done here.
Assalamu alaikum, happy Eid to everybody. We enjoying your food party. We rode out.
The park.
Then we caught a lot of fishes. We thrown back. So you know everything was good.
Thanks.
मेरी तो पार्टी में नहीं बोला। ये स्वेल की तरफ से पार्टी। Thank you so much.
Hi. Eid Mubarak.
ये अपने आप को इसने कुर्बान किया।
I'm sorry for stealing your camera. It was just on the table. I really hope I don't look too bad.
Hania, say Eid Mubarak again. Interview. Zoya, what's going on today? Give us a little rundown.
It was very tiring Eid. I went to bed at like 6 a.m. I woke up at 8 a.m. I went to Eid Namaz. I'm here and I'm having fun.
Alhamdulillah, and that's all that matters. You want to
And
say?
I got to see Hanya.
Oh my God, the cutest! Get in the camera with her real quick.
So cute, isn't it?
Oh my God, I love both of you guys. Look how cute she is.
She's like
It's a princess.
You're a princess.
Princess.
Yeah. I love it.
Watch out, Tom Brady. Watch out, Tom Brady. Is she the cutest? I can't see, bro.
All right. Cut. Don't put this in there.